What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best new mini drone on Aliexpress through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the new mini drones, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with our G107 Pro new mini drone in our list. It has new flying cutting edge that breaks through the boundaries, integrates safety and strength. Its high-definition quality will provide clarity for a more secure flight environment and surprise your expectations. You can enjoy flying it without worrying about collision, because it has smart obstacle avoidance on 3 sides, which will provide hassle-free flying. You can walk through the woods and wander through the buildings, as flexible as a bird. It can also be used in more complex scenes and when flying at night. It has fixed collision avoidance, shuttle corridor obstacle avoidance, pedestrian flight obstacle avoidance, and indoor flight obstacle avoidance. It has a folding design that is convenient for travel. Its body is the size of literally your palm of your hand. You can take it anywhere. When you encounter something fun, you can quickly take it with you. The flight system has more advanced hardware that brings new possibilities to your aerial photography entertainment. Its one-button control system is designed for novices without cumbersome control, and one button can complete various flight actions. It is equipped with a powerful motor with a smaller size and better performance, high explosive powerful power, and high-speed power output of 1800 revolutions per minute. It has gesture recognition, photo and video features. During the flight, aim at the drone camera and pose accordingly, gestures to automatically take pictures or videos. It has a more stable and safe optical flow visual positioning system. Both indoor and outdoor automatically maintain height and hover smoothly. With its 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh battery, you can use it for about 15 minutes. It is provided with modular battery. Its lightweight body and strong battery life let the flight endurance of the clock exceed most of the same type of consumer drone products, and flying is more comfortable and shooting is more leisurely. Up next, we have F190 mini drone in our list. Its 4K high-definition footage is higher in sharpness, and the high-definition resolution pixel lens provides clear picture quality. It can do 360-degree stunt roll in one click, and these 360-degree stunts gather amazing and beautiful clips. It has hover over feature, and you will have stable hover indoors and outdoors. The GOD operation is very easy with this drone. It can be cleverly folded for strength. The surface is covered with aviation polyamide polycarbonate material, and its foldable design makes it easy to carry. It has one-touch control, which makes it easy to control. With its simple control system, multiple one-button control experiences can be gathered. Because of the double camera leap multi-angle, you can have different types of views from the same place. It has beauty filters to provide you with extra beautiful shots. It will give you instant beauty. Obviously, it has gesture sensing, shooting and recording. It captures photos and records videos. It has LED night flight lights for dark night flights, so that you can enjoy it at nighttime too. 50x zoom is there to capture things in detail and see things in detail. There are some cool LED lights around the drone. You can let your mini drone become a shining star in the night sky. You can put on the protective frame and refuse to scratch it. It has module large battery, so that you can easily install and remove it. The battery is easily replaceable. It can provide you with about 10 minutes of battery life. The very next mini drone we have is LSRC Deer 3 Max mini drone. It has 8K high-definition dual camera switch, so that you can gather clear photos and videos all over the place. It also has electronic speed control, remote control, and 120-degree wide angle. Because of the high-definition camera, the picture will be still clear when zoomed in. The new generation of Deer 3 provides powerful creative performance and has more advanced flight hardware. Its performance brings possibilities for aerial entertainment. It provides high-definition shooting and stronger flight performance. It has GPS positioning and return feature, which will provide enough peace of mind, because you can have more accurate GPS positioning and always be able to protect your aerial flight safety. No matter how far you fly, you can go home. It has brushless power and 7-level wind resistance, so it can provide stable flight and is suitable for flying in a variety of fields. Because of its electronic image stabilization, it is more stable and clearer, and effectively reduces shooting blur. With its 5G transmission and 8K image quality, you can watch beautiful scenery from far away. Hover. It has dual positioning, and with its outdoor GPS hover and indoor optical flow hover, it can hover stably and smoothly to provide extraordinary shots. The Gesture Smart Camera is also here to provide photos and videos. Point at the camera and make a gesture. You can make the victory sign to take photos and palm sign to take videos. Its 50 times zoom is also there to make you see the distance clearly and make you more worry-free and adventure-freak. With its large capacity modular lithium battery, it can provide about 25 minutes of battery life. Even after flying for several laps, half of the battery will be left. In exchange for more convenient, it is also lasting and more playable. Furthermore, we have our 6K new mini drone in our list. It has 6K pixels and remote 90-degree control for more stable, clearer, better shots. 6K pixels means the details you see will be 6 times of 1080 pixel high-definition video for better highlight and shadow detail. No matter if it is bright or dark, distance, movement, and every beautiful moment are presented in high quality. It has a folding and portable appearance, supported by a number of hardcore technologies. Excellent flight stability system that provides you the ability to shoot almost whatever you want. It has a GPS multifunction return feature that lets you automatically record the starting position before takeoff. And when it is necessary to return home automatically, you can automatically return home through the remote control. It has full of power wind resistance up to level 7. It is equipped with a powerful motor with smaller size and better performance, high-speed power output of 1800 revolutions per minute. The index is as high as level 4, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. It has 50 times zoom shooting. The zoom is silky smooth, and the beauty of the distance is at your fingertips. It also has gesture recognition photos and videos. During the flight, aim at the drone camera and pose accordingly gestures to automatically take pictures or videos. It will provide you more stable and safe dual flight positioning system. Both indoor and outdoor automatically maintain height and hover smoothly, even with 0 bases. Get started. Anyone can fly. With its high capacity of 7.4 volt, strong voltage battery, it will provide you 25 minutes long battery life. The flight endurance of the clock exceeds most of the same types of consumer drone products. We can finish it up with QLX K61C7 mini drone in our list. It has 4K high-definition picture quality to provide quality shots. It will let you have clearly reproduced scenes and smooth, detailed images. It has infrared obstacle avoidance so that you can make flight without worry. It has 360-degree automatic detection of surrounding obstacles to prevent collisions, scratching, crash damage prevention, and more freedom of flight. It can be folded rightly because it has the classic 3-dimensional folding design that feels right in your hand and guarantees stability in flight even after thousands of folds. When folded, the aircraft is the size of a mobile phone, which will let you easily hold it in one hand. It has optical flow positioning and barometric altitude fixing stable hovering flight feature. These features will provide you with stable hovering indoors and outdoors and can be controlled in seconds by the novice. It has 4K image transfer feature that will let you enjoy the view from far away. You can watch the drones from far away via your mobile phone, and the images are transmitted in high definition. It has one-touch controls, so it will be easy to navigate for newcomers too. Its easy-to-use control system with multiple one-touch controls are easy to use, even for beginners. It has a 360-degree tumbling flight feature, and we all know that fancy flying is even cooler. It will let you fly as you like, more than just the same viewpoint. It will let you switch between point of flight and follow-around modes. The flight experience has been upgraded with a wide range of options for aerial photography. With the app, you can click on the gesture photo mode and take a photo with just one gesture. It has 1,200 mAh increased capacity modular battery for long and stable life. It can provide you about 12 minutes of flight time. If you liked the video and it helped you any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys in later.